Today is November 13 and I'll be doing the fighter pull-up program version 2. Instead of adding a rep, I'll be doing the sessions that I did at the start of this block, because yesterday I failed 2 sets. So yeah, I decided to continue, even though Eugene suggested that I could stop since I already improved my reps from 10 to 13. I just want to test what was written in the program, where if you go back and then the session where you failed will become like it will feel easy. I just want to see if that would work for me too. So anyway, if I fail this, then definitely I would stop. So let's just test it. Okay, so far so good. 13 pull-ups done. Let's see my next set. Set number 2, 12 pull-ups. Next set, 11 pull-ups. Set number 3, 11 pull-ups. Next set would be 10 pull-ups. Fourth set, 10 pull-ups. Ay, tama. I tried not to keep. That's 10. Last set would be 9 pull-ups. Last set, 9 pull-ups. Done. That's a session for today. I have one session again tomorrow, and then take a rest day. Then let's see if I won't feel anymore the set where I failed earlier. That's it for today. See you.